Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Easy Fit tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So this is the same type of some tempered glass that you can use on your Samsung Galaxy S21 as well as S21 Plus. Since S21 and S21 Plus has a flat display, this type of Easy Fit is available from Spigen. But if you want to install a tempered glass from Spigen on a regular S21 Ultra version which has a curved display, then for that, my friends, this product won't work. Earlier you might have seen on a website the Spigen had a tempered glass having the UV lamp and everything. That was a good thing, but I will suggest you go for this one instead because it is easy to install and there are no hush and fuss here. So if you are new to my channel, then I'll let you know that I always unbox a phone or I always unbox a product, and if that product supports a Spigen tempered glass, then I install it immediately without removing the screen protector's initial protector film that was given by the factory. So as promised, my friends, I have my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus right here, and as promised, I haven't removed the tempered glass protection film here, so screen protector film here. So we will remove this and install the tempered glass. Before doing that, my friends, we have to turn this off. Do remember to turn this off. I'm using this paper here because I don't want to scratch the phone, and as I promised, my friends, I haven't removed the lens protector film also. I will remove this after I install the tempered glass because I have to keep the phone flat and it might scratch the phone, so taking the precautions. So why wait, my friends, let's open this up. So inside here I see, yes, it opens here only. So it is a 2-pack version. As you can see here, it is mentioned a 2-pack version, and in India it's costs around rupees 2,899. But if you are having a good deal or any time deals are going on the Amazon, you can get it for 999 rupees only. I got it for 999, my friends. I will link the product description in the description below. I'll link the product in the description of the video. So as you can see here, we get 2 Easy Fit kit here, so it is very hard to remove it out. It's like stuck inside here. Yes, it's really tight. So as you can see here, it is really easy. If you have been to my channel earlier, you might have seen the Easy Fit kit that I used on iPads, I have used on iPhones, even I have used on iPhone 11 Pro, 10R and everything, and so on. So we are going to use one. So my friends, first of all, I'll tell you, don't move it like this because you will put dust particles in here, and that dust particles will go under the display. So keep it as it is you have found it, and turn off all the fans, air conditions, whatever you have in the room. No air should pass here and there. Wash your hands and start the process. So I have washed my hands, my friends. It is totally dry, as you can see here. So we get 2 tempered glasses here. So we get how to install kit here, how to install it, and we do get another one here, and one squeezy, and one more tempered glass kit. We get 2 tempered glass kits, another how to install, and some squeezies, and one squeezy and 2 lens cleaning and some stickers to remove the dust particles. Okay, so as you can see here, my friends, we need 1 kit, and I have 1 extra dust removal sticker here. So as it is mentioned here, we have to clean the display properly. We have to remove the back film and install the kit on top of it. Swipe it like this and wait for 30 seconds and hold the sticker out, remove the kit and protection film, and squeeze all out the, if we have any of the air bubbles on the display. So let me keep this very carefully because I don't want any dust to go under here. And do remember to clean this part totally. As I told you, my friends, do use some kind of paper or a small protective film which will protect your back of the phone. Use it. I'm using this one because I don't have any other options here. We have to use this one. And before removing it, do carefully keep ready your tempered glass. So while installing this, you can see here it is mentioned as glass is EZ fit, and here it is mentioned as Spigen. Here carefully you can see here it is mentioned as top, so this side goes top side and this will go on the bottom. If you are unaware what you are going on, because this doesn't have any punch hole or anything here, so that's why they have mentioned in this way. So I'm keeping this in this side, keeping the squeezer in front of here, and I'll show you how we are going to do this. So my friends, this video is going to be a bit long, so bear with me, my friends, and we will definitely get the good result. So you need patience, and because I install my tempered glass very carefully and I never put any of the dust particles under here. So first of all, we are going to remove this protective film. Now you can see it is totally clean here, but sometimes what happens, this dust particles are there inside here, so do better you use this film. This is the cleaning wipe, this is the wet wipes. Use this to clean the display properly. Okay, you can open it up totally if you want. So I'm going through the process properly. The display is really black, and since the phone is phantom black, so it is very hard to say whether it is clean or there are dust particles here. And don't rub this cleaning wipe on the top of this display a lot of times, because some particles from this also comes on top of this display. So I'm done with this. Now we will use this dust remover sticker to remove all the dust particles that is So I see the display is totally clean here. As you can see, it is totally clean here, but I will give another round here, my friends. So as you can see here, the display is totally clean now, totally clean. I am not seeing any kind of dust particles on top of here. Now we will put the tempered glass on top of it. So my friends, we are all ready now. You have to remove this film here. Be very carefully remove it out, and do remember to face it down before removing it, because it will not attract any dust particles in here. Okay, and you have to remove this only, don't remove the below one. As you can see, don't remove the below one, it will tear apart the tempered glass out. So we very carefully so as you can see, I have removed it. Now face it perfectly here. If you have any doubts, just push it correctly and press it, hold and slide the slide it here. So as you can see here, it is getting added here, as you can see here. So it takes few minutes to get totally installed. So if you in this moment, you can take the display and check the display perfectly, and also you can move it, no problem in here. You can do this. Just don't push it out at this time, okay? Just leave it for 1 minute. We'll leave it for 1 minute and we'll come back. So 1 minute is passed, my friends. Now we have to remove the sticker. So it is mentioned that 30 seconds here, as you can see, it is mentioned as 30 seconds, but I took 1 minute because I wanted it to spread evenly throughout. Now we will use this sticker to remove it. Okay, first we have to remove the sticker very slowly. It's not needed to be very rushed and to be hurry. Be very carefully remove it out. Okay, now use one finger on top of here and then take this out. So as you can see here, we can see a lot of air bubbles here. As you can see a air bubble here. Here is a air bubble, and here is a big one. Here is a small one, and this side is not totally adhered. So what we will do now, here it mentions to remove this film and then use a squeegee. But my friends, I will suggest you don't do that. If you do this, then what will happen? If you do this, you will scratch the tempered glass. It's better to use this protective film, on top of it use this squeegee. So it will be a bit tough to remove all this air particles, but as you can see here, it goes very easily out. Okay, it takes a bit time to do this, and as you can see here, so I'm removing each and every air particles here, as you can see here. So this is gone. This is the big one. This is gone. There is slightly here, but I will give it 2-3 swipes and it will also go out. No problem in that. We have one of the big problems here, as you thought this is not going to adhere here. So first what we'll do, we will push it here in this way. So as you can see here, so as you can see here, it's totally done here. So I will give another 1 or 2 swipes and we will come back to that. So as you can see here, my friends, I have given totally a last swipe everywhere, and I have checked out each and every corner here. As you can see, there is no bubbles, and these bubbles are because of this protective film, not for the tempered glass. Tempered glass is already fixed perfectly. Now we will remove this. So as you can see here, my friends, the tempered glass is installed. So this won't be able to see perfectly. Let me try to show you the tempered glass. See, this is the tempered glass, and this is the original glass. So are you able to distinguish or not? Yes, you can see here. Tempered glass is installed. So let me boot the phone and show you what's the clarity. So as you can see here, my friends, the clarity is totally same as it was on the plain glass. So you can see the whites, it is totally clear. There are no spots on anywhere on the display, and there is no dust particles under the display. This is what happens when you use the tempered glass immediately when you open a new phone. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching and bearing for a long video. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Stay safe. Bye bye.